Hi friends, I'm Dr. Pooja Pole, BMS intern. Today I want to share with you something special which may be helpful for you. If you are struggling with pharmac, medicine, surgery or any other subject related to BMS, then don't worry, just go for Maurya Publication. I have personally attended the lectures and I find it very thoughtful and very educating. They provide us knowledge and practical analysis too. The lectures are not too short nor too long, they are intermediate and we can attend them easily without spending much time on it. In pharmacology, they teach us about how to choose a drug of choice for a particular disease. In medicine, they teach us about basics. That is, how to take a proper history of a patient, how to do general examination of the patient, what are the basics of ICU management, and also how to understand the lab investigation of different conditions. They also provide demo lectures of Maurya Publication on YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Just check it out. They are very useful for the students who are in the field of BAMS, BHMS, BUMS, also NEET. I hope you like the video. Thank you.